Please react to Nina-𝗀 wanted sons. Oof, that's all right. Sure, we get to that now. The super chat. Who sent that super chat? Kiru. Just PM me in Discord the link of the video that you want me to check out.
So I walked into the haze and a million dirty ways.
Oh, it's because I don't have rock?
Nijisanji gods, please give me sons. Please.
Why?
What?
Why? It's the same thing.
We could be guys.
Yeah, we can.
Hi. Hello.
Oh.
Hi. Yo, what's up?
Oh shit. Oh please. Oh.
So you want an extra pair of underwear?
No, bro. You don't ask that of a bro.
I don't have underwear. I just rubbed boxers, bro.
Shit, bro. What am I gonna do?
You got commander, bro?
Want some boxers, bro? Want to share boxers? Is that how guys?
No guy ever ask another guy to have a pair of boxers. Maybe your brother or someone, one of your closest friends, but not a bro. Bros and jocks don't ask for boxers.
Let's do it. Want to share one pair? Yo, you wear today, I'll wear tomorrow.
Oh yeah, bro.
Seriously, don't do that, guys.
She won't die.
Yeah, go to the bathroom and check. Don't fucking ask that question ever.
How big is your spear?
My spear, bro.
Oh my god.
Where's mommy?
Kind of short.
I'm back at the
inches.
fire, honey.
Shit, bro. You
Jesus
want some
Christ.
Help you.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. You need to massage it.
Is that how it works, bro?
Fuck.
I think so. That's what my brother told me.
Bro, what the fuck is wrong with them?
E? How do I drop the rock?
Bro, I'm learning every day, bro.
Bro, every day's a new day.
Fucking a straight voice is amazing. Oh, I want more.
We could be guys.
Yeah, we can.
Hi.
Hello, hi.
Yo, what's up?
Oh, double click.
I want more. I want more of this. This is awesome.
Extra pair of underwear?
Bro, I don't have underwear. I just rubbed boxers, bro.
Shit, bro.
I think I have rock.
What am I gonna do?
Oh, I don't.
Want some boxers, bro? Want to share boxers? Is that how guys?
Boxers? Shit, let's do it. Wanna share one-
Boxers. That's awesome. Okay. This is so good. Nina-𝗀. Let's write that. I wanna just write that down on principle. Nina-𝗀.